While it's important to note that no single food directly causes diabetes, there are certain foods that can contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes or exacerbate the condition if you already have it. Here are 10 foods that can negatively impact blood sugar control and overall health in people with diabetes. 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary beverages like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks are packed with added sugars, primarily in the form of high fructose corn syrup or sucrose. Consuming these drinks can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels due to the fast absorption of sugars. Regular consumption of sugary drinks is associated with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Opt for water, unsweetened herbal tea, or sugar-free alternatives. 2. Candy and sweets. Confectionaries like candy, cookies, and pastries are often made with refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. These treats can cause sharp increases in blood glucose levels and provide little nutritional value. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Limit your consumption of sweets and choose healthier, portion-controlled alternatives when you have a sweet craving. 3. White bread and refined grains. Foods made from refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals, have a high glycemic index. This means they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar due to their quick digestion and absorption. Opt for whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oatmeal, which are higher in fiber and have a less pronounced impact on blood sugar. 4. French fries and potato chips. Fried and processed potato products, like French fries and potato chips, are high in unhealthy fats and can lead to unhealthy blood sugar spikes. The frying process can also create acrylamides, which may be harmful. Instead, try baked sweet potato fries or other vegetable snacks that are less processed and lower in unhealthy fats. 5. Fried foods. Foods that are deep fried, like fried chicken, onion rings, and donuts, are often high in trans fats and saturated fats, which can negatively affect insulin sensitivity and increase the risk of heart disease. Reducing or eliminating fried foods from your diet is a wise choice for overall health and diabetes management. 6. Processed meats. Processed meats, including sausages, hot dogs, and bacon, are associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. They often contain added preservatives, unhealthy fats, and sodium. It's advisable to choose lean protein sources like poultry, fish, and plant-based options like beans and tofu instead. 7. Sweetened cereals. Many cereals, especially those marketed towards children, contain significant amounts of added sugars. These cereals can lead to high blood sugar levels, especially when combined with high-carb milk. Opt for whole grain, low-sugar cereal options, or better yet, choose oatmeal or whole grain toast with nut butter for a more balanced breakfast. 8. High-sugar condiments. Some condiments, such as ketchup, barbecue sauce, and sweet salad dressings, are loaded with added sugars, which can contribute to elevated blood sugar levels. Be mindful of condiments' sugar content and consider using alternatives like mustard or vinaigrette dressings to add flavor without excessive sugars. 9. Full-fat dairy products. While dairy can be part of a healthy diet, high-fat dairy products can be problematic for some people with diabetes due to their saturated fat content. Saturated fats can contribute to insulin resistance and inflammation. Consider opting for lower fat or fat-free dairy options, or explore non-dairy alternatives like almond milk or soy yogurt. 10. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Alcohol can interfere with the liver's ability to regulate blood sugar and may cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, in some individuals. It's essential to moderate alcohol intake and always consume it with food to help stabilize blood sugar levels. In summary, managing diabetes involves making informed food choices and monitoring the impact of different foods on your blood sugar levels. Reducing or avoiding foods and beverages high in added sugars, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients can help stabilize blood sugar and improve overall health. A balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables is the foundation for effective diabetes management. Consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that suits your specific needs and goals.